Good morning, everyone. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Assam to Gujarat, we stand together as one nation, one people, one India. Unity is our strength, diversity is our pride. Today, we celebrate National Unity Day. It's a day that reminds us of the power of togetherness and the vision of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the man who built a united India. This day is observed on 31st October every year to honor the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel was not only a great freedom fighter but also a visionary leader who laid the foundation of a united and strong India. After independence, when our country was divided into more than 560 princely states, it was his leadership, determination, and diplomatic skill that brought them together as one nation. His dream was to see India rise as a single, powerful, and harmonious country. National Unity Day reminds us of his remarkable contribution and teaches us the value of unity, strength, and patriotism. In today's world where differences can divide us, Patel's message guides us to stand together, respect each other, and work for our nation's progress. Let us all take a pledge today to uphold the spirit of unity, to rise above caste, creed, and religion, and to dedicate ourselves to the service of our motherland. As Sardar Patel once said, manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. So let's stay united, stay strong, and keep India shining with pride and harmony. Thank you. Jai Hind. Hey friends, if this video is useful for you, then please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.